Seagull spotted. Oh no, he's gone. Back again. And gone again. Blimey, there's two. Crikey, I can't keep up. Aha, there you are. Graceful flying right here, folks. I am so taken back by its beauty. Just look at that mighty wingspan. Let's see if we can keep up with this one. Wait, hold on, those are pigeons. Never compare pigeons to seagulls. Seagulls are vastly superior. See how those pigeons are lazy and are not flying. That's proof seagulls are better. Where has that seagull gone? Look, there. They're like flying behind that tree. It's hard for me to observe them. Thanks for joining me today for this seagull commentary.